Hello, today I'm going to talk about Dimetapp cold and cough. It's specifically formulated for children, and you can see here on the box that it relieves nasal symptoms like stuffy or runny nose, and also is good against cough and itchy watery eyes. This comes in grape flavor. This is actually the second bottle I have, because we already went through the first bottle and they gave me some coupons, so I had bought additional medicine for the kids, and so far the grape flavor seems to be popular. This one is, even though it's specially formatted for kids, it's recommended and actually should only be used for kids 6 years and older. So I'm very happy with it so far. They do seem to be able to sleep better through the night, and it does relieve their cough. So I really like the fact that it's formulated for kids. You can see here they actually have special age groups and how much you can use. This is for children under 6 years. It says clearly do not use, and then from 6 to 12 and 12 and over. So it's nicely formulated. Dimetapp, of course, is a quality name. And yeah, so far, flavor, grape, which seems to be common, and I at least can say that they do seem to sleep better through the night and have less coughing. So that is also a relief for me.